today we will be watching a throwback practice of our walo, the practice of Beanie nung nasa Starhunt Academy pa sila. So, we can really see their humble beginnings. And bakit natin siya gagawin? Kasi nami-miss na naman natin sila. Dahil right now, nasa UK sila for their ASAP show. Kaya naman, magre-relapse tayo. Magto-throwback tayo. Alam nyo naman, Blooms, kapag nami-miss natin yung girls, yung mga takbuhan natin, AU, Kumu Lives, and yung mga past videos ng girls. And I'm really glad na last few days ago, nag-share ng video si Bebeshi, and grabe, napa-throwback talaga ang mga Blooms at talagang really appreciate their humble beginnings at they really deserve kung nasan sila ngayon. So, ang drama natin kasi nga magre-relapse tayo today. But before that, of course, last night nag-release ang official YouTube account ng Beanie sa Shaggy D official music video fan preview. So, panoorin muna natin yung reaction ng girls sa music video ng Shaggy D nila. Let's go! Alright, reaction video. Ang swerte ng 88 Blooms. Ay, they are also excited too. Tuwan-tuwa si Gwenny. Ang cute. Hey, that's Aya. Ang seryoso naman nila. Everybody! Ay, nagkantahan din sila. Ang saya. Ang cute. Ginaya ni Aya. Aya imitating Gwen. Ay, ang seryoso ni Mika Lim. Hey, tuwan-tuwa sila. Let's go! Ganda ni Gwen. Oh. Hey! Ang saya naman. Na-miss ko tong reaction video ng girls sa music video nila. Tuwan-tuwa ang Blooms. Ang saya. Hey! Sumayaw na rin sila. Hey! Hey! That's Taku! Ang lakas! Oh! Ay! Ang cute. What's that? Nakakatuwa. Ay, ganda ni Shidon. Wow. Isa pa. Isa pa. So, that's it. Ang ganda, no? Nakakatuwa naman reaction nila. So, preview lang. Preview, I mean, pa-intro ka lang yun kasi hindi ko pa siya napanood. So, yeah. So, right now, Let's go sa pa-throwback video ni Sheena na pinost at shinare sa atin. Alright. And these songs, pwede ba siyang ma-release? Baka naman. So I think first video is kahit na fit Pilay with Bebe. Pilay si Bebe. Ayan, Pilay Bebe. So, si Gwen, during this time, Pilay ata si Gwenny. Kaya naman, nakaupo siya doon and let's go! Let's watch it. Kahit na. Their vocals! Come on! Oh, si Gwen. Okay, hinahanap ko sinumanta. Let's go, Saku! Hey! Bias ko yung naka-highlighter dyan eh. Oh, let's go, Mika. Wow! Grabe, no? I love it. Their vocals, I love it. Oh my gosh, Aya. Hey! Jo! My gosh! Oh! Ilabas nyo to, please. Or i-perform. Let's go, Colette. Ha! Oh my goodness, makulit. Woo! Oh, wow. Ow! I love it. Sobrang cute nila, guys. Grabe. I really love this. Hindi ko ito naabutan as a Bloom. So, ibang feeling talaga kapag OG Bloom ka, no? Na nasimulan mo yung humble beginnings ng Bini. Tatlong beses ko na sinasabi yan, but iba talaga grabe, sobrang sarap panoorin ng mga throwback practice nila, videos nila. Ma-appreciate mo talaga yung paghihirap nila. Ang dami kong sinasabi, sobrang natuwa lang talaga ako with this video. Their vocals, their harmonization, their synchronization. Wow! Ang dami So, next naman natin, itong pangalawang shinare ni Bebeshi. So, wala siyang nakasulat. Wala siyang nakasulat kung ano to. Pero, let's discover it. What is it? Okay. Star Hunt. I know this! Iba talaga My gosh! I got it. What's this? Pinerform nila with Sir Gary B sa ASAP, right? Ha! Pa talaga mag-rap ang Maybelline. Susundan ni Aya. Hey! Oh my gosh. Sheena? What? Let's go, Sax. And Gwen. Iba talaga. Boses ni Kulit. I love Joanna. Come, baby. Come on. Boses ni Shi. Oh, let's go, Mapalat. Hey, nice one. 5, 6, 7, 8. Thank you pa. 5, 6, 7, 8 pa. Oh my gosh, I love that. Hindi ko alam pero natitiri ay ako pag pinapanood ko yung mga ganitong video ng girls. Ang OA ni ate mo, girl, pero seryoso. Iba talaga sa feeling. Hindi ko alam, pero I wish I was there. I mean, during that time, pero syempre, as a Bloom, magiging bloom ka talaga on the right time. Basta yun, ang dami ko sinasabi. So, I love that. I love that. Grabe, I really appreciate the voice of Sheena there. Grabe. Well, napatalented talaga ni she sing and dance. Hindi siya masyadong napapansin sa boses niya, pero seriously, iba talaga. May ilalaban ang boses ni Sheena. Galing. So, this is the third video and last na shinare ni She. Iconic GG K-pop fit pilay si Mix. Okay, si Mix naman yung pilay dito. Pero, look at that. Diba? Yung mga moments nila na pilay-pilay sila. And, tuloy pa rin ang practice. And look at them right now. Sobrang grabe. Diba? Oh, I really love this girl so much. Let's go! Okay, more on, yeah, dance. Grabe, they are all so young.
One girl, we're back.
Halain mo yun, they are the biggest girl group right now in the Philippines. Look at them! Hey, let's go! Oh, Tina yan eh. Juaya niyo. Oh my gosh! Sorry. Napause ako kay Aya. Hey Granny, let's go! Ang effortless naman nun, Aya. Ang smooth. Ay, wow. Iba talaga move ni Sheena. Oh, great. Wow. Wow. Space for yung Mix. So, during this time, si Mix naman yung pilay. At pinapanood ang kanyang mga sisters. Grabe. I love watching this. I love how they practice para talagang nasa performance ka na, which is ganun naman talaga ang BINI. Kapag practice pa lang, binibigay na nila talaga, no? I really love it. So, thank you for sharing this, Sheena. Yan tuloy, nagre-relapse mga blooms ngayon. But, tama-tama lang din. Iba talaga ang pagiging happy pill na ating Bebeshi. Kasi during this time na shinare niya, ang dami nangyayari. Pero, at least, di ba? At nabalikan natin yung mga ganitong moments ng BINI. Sana meron pa. Parang, gusto ko pang manood ng mga throwback practices nila and everything. Their vocal voice, live vocal voice. And then, of course, yung sabay-sabay na steps nila pag sumasayaw. Hindi naman ako expert para magbigay pa ng maraming comments. But I really appreciate talaga nung nagsisimula pa sila. And I'm so proud of you. Yun lang. Dami ko sinasabi baka kung saan pa tayo mapunta. So thank you guys for sharing this. And for joining me here. Watching, of course, our Beanie. And if you wanna watch this video, just go to the account of Sheena sa Black App. Nandun kasi yun. So, yun lang. See you again on my next reaction video. Bye!